Good morning. Today I'm going to share with you a video on what I eat when I'm boondocking or traveling on the road. And I'm over here on the way on the east side of Tucson, Arizona, and there's some places that you can pull out and just camp here. I think you probably save 14 days. Well, anyway, so I eat a lot of different kinds of foods, and actually it's pretty easy to eat vegan when you're on the road because you don't really need to worry about it keeping things cold as much. Of course, you know, you might like your tofu and tempeh and things like that. You're going to need ice. But if you run out of ice, you could actually live quite nicely with without any kind of refrigeration. So I eat a lot of legumes, and I eat a lot of grains, fresh fruits and vegetables, dry fruits and vegetables. I don't cook with oil, so that's not really a big deal. I used to use water to cook with. I actually do quite nicely. I eat a lot of potatoes. I'm actually dehydrating food right now at home, or I should say my base, and I've dehydrated a bunch of pinto beans and black beans that I can just really, you know, cook up very fast and save a lot of my fuel. Because I really don't want to use a lot of canned goods. I don't have room for a recycling bin of any kind, and so what I do recycle, I want it to be a minimum. Because I might be out sometimes for several days before I even go into civilization to find a place to put the recycling at. So, I'm going to cook up some brunch today. And very simple beans. It'll be pinto beans, some from the dry ones that I dehydrated. Hi, Sam. Okay, so let's get cooking here. Sometimes it doesn't light on its own. Oh, it did this time. Good. All right. A little water. The dry beans that I dehydrated, I'm going to put about a half a cup in there. Throw in some kale. Have some tomatoes. And this is ranch pepper from my garden. I'm just going to cut up real fast. Doesn't have to be small. And I eat the seeds and everything. Good fiber. And I have here, this is called Basket of Fire chili, and it's very hot. But I like hot food. So I should be using gloves, but I'm okay. Just make sure I don't touch my eyes for a while here. I have a chance to wash my hands. Need more water. There we go. And I have a lot of spice blends that I put together. Different ones. I actually found 2 of these at Sprouts for 99 cents and they're organic, because I use organic fizz. I don't know if you can see them well enough. One of them is a sweet blend, which will go great for like oatmeal, and the other one is a savory blend that has everything I normally use. Organic turmeric, organic onion, organic garlic, organic paprika. I'm fond of using a lot of spice. So we'll try that out here. But I do have this, and I'm going to add a little bit to it, and it's absolutely delicious. It's already cooked, so all you got to do is heat it up with just a little bit of water. So I can just throw a little in. So it's quinoa and brown rice. Very, very good, and organic, of course. So, use about 1/3 of the package. So, set that down now. I always have pretty much what I need in my van so I can just hop in and go. I have a bag packed with my hiking, you know, type clothes, backpacking clothes, things like that. So this looks like it's pretty much done. See, fast and simple. Very good, very good. That's enough food for half the day, you know. So thank you so much for watching me cook, and I'm gonna go around and turn the camera around and show you the food. Yum, 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 right?